for a PC?
What was the other called? I don't know what the other one was called. It was like Gen X or something. That new one that for like the graphics. Like that thing would have like absolutely. Dude, that had so good graphics. I forgot what it was called though.
I don't actually know any power supply.
RTX something. I forgot what it was called.
Okay, what is the best graphics card out there?
A 3090, but they're releasing a 3090 Ti in 2020, soon this year.
You nerd.
Nice.
It's the most happiest time of the year.
Let me get my trivia. Let me get the trivia out here.
Oh yes.
Okay, let's go back to that power supply thing. Okay. What is the best power supply for a computer?
It's the most wonderful time.
Here's information from Tech Radar.
of the year.
He's like a stare. I was about to rant.
It must be. I think the best power supply that you can get is either a 1000 or a 1000 volt. No. It's the power supply 800.
Boys, look at my wins. I got 3 wins. Oh my god. I got 3 crowns. But I got way more wins than this, I promise.
Okay. Let me show you something.
Alright.
It's the most wonderful time of the year.
When was the 3090?
Bro, did this just say 41 eliminations? That's cat.
When was the 3090 graphics card released? When was it released?
2015.
2020.
I just said that, bro. I'm so smart.
I was thinking like 2019.
2020.
I just said that, bro. I'm so smart, bro. Oh my gosh.
You did not say 2020.
I did. I said 2020.
What is the best processor that you could get?
Bro, these are mythics now? Oh, I was about to say, brother.
You can the best processor that you can get is an iCore 9.
Hey, what's the best gun you can ever have?
Horizon.
Yo, what's the best gun?
9. The best one? An iCore 9.
Hey, what's the best gun ever in the game? In the game. What's the best gun? What's the most strongest gun ever? I'm with this bot.
What are you talking about? Shotguns?
Probably the M1 Grand for World War II. The M1 Grand, favorited by Americans.
Hey, boys, you want to hear a song?
Sure. M1 Grand, sure, I guess. AK-47 be hitting different though.
For 10 hours.
AK-47, oh, that's...
Nah, bro.
Bro, that's literally the strongest gun, bro. Like one headshot, and you're done, bro.
Pretty nice.
An AK-47 is an AR with the accuracy of an M1 Grand.
No, M1 Grand is nice.
Knock one?
Nice aim.
Or you took my kill?
Hey, bro, there's some. Get some health back.
There's a good GG.
Oh my god, I wasn't shot. I just can't.
Never distracted from me. Drew, if you don't kill this man, you're bad. Oh my. How did you not kill me, bro?
Oh my
I
god,
literally damaged this man so low. Yeah, I know, but apparently you were not good at the game, so you didn't kill him. Oh, you're so lucky. I suck and I missed all my shots.
Where is he? Are they thirst trapping that place over there? You going there?
Well,
Are they going?
Get your blue cheeks over here.
Thirst them if you took any damage.
Unless he's behind this wall, he's capping.
You're low.
Thanks for the heal.
Literally healing him.
Let's go, baby.
MJ, why are you? MJ, alright, MJ, we go together.
I drew. Move.
Rush him.
Drew will not be right.
Get him.
Oh, I killed, bro. I killed LJC. I killed LJC Drew. I killed LJC Drew. Drew, I killed him. What are you doing just standing at spawn? Drew, how are you gonna go to that freaking person who I just killed? Literally one shot with the AR and we can kill him. Oh, doo-doo.
Knock someone, boy.
Booka,
Where's the
booka,
bot? Where's the bot?
baka.
I literally had. I couldn't do anything. I had 2 health. I'm not going to fight.
I feel so bad.
Warzone is better. Everyone can agree.
Close fight.
Ooh.
Get him for 91.
Now 49 in the head.
Get him. Got him.
Well, at least I got 1,300 gold because I'm so good. And I definitely didn't just cheat just because.
Good job.
You better not, bro.
49.
And now you're just gonna come over here.
What is on the bottom?
And now you're just gonna camp. What are you supposed to do, bro? 2 people are at me. Now we're camp.
Look at this dude.
It kind of looks.
Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Look at this dude.
Oh jeez.
Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Look at this dude.
Hey, by the way, no.
Bullshit.
I feel those are unfair.
No using money. No money.
Oh, too late. Because I got a Oh, there's multiple
He most
weapons.
likely has an MK7. Watch out.
Oh, I hit him for 91. He's 9. Oh, I got double team. Alright, come hit him.
Dude, as long as you.
This dude has a pump.
I'm goated.
He's killing his teammate.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
He is, I can see. Yeah, he's right here. He just healed him.
As soon as you.
Did hit me the same way. Alright, he hasn't gone to get that. He doesn't have the money glitch.
I swear I don't, bro. I'm so
Yeah, he
good.
literally only has the
Like, bro, I bet YouTube can back me up, right? Right, YouTube? Right, YouTube? You can back me up?
Oh, wait, yeah, bro. He's on the Twitch. He can. All the way.
Yeah, definitely, bro. YouTube, you know I'm not using like money glitch, bro. Go to my channel and I definitely didn't do it.
Oh, wait. I can
Yeah,
actually check.
your
I can
channel only
actually
has
check.
17 subscribers.
Huh?
But I can
Yeah,
actually
bro, I
check.
have more than you actually.
I don't care if you have more subscribers.
Sam 33.
He cracked me. I did not hit him for anything. I did not crack him.
Yeah, you did not do anything. Whoa, look at this dude.
Why
Look at
is
this
the best
dude.
person in this game? That's a freaking go with the
Hey, Drew, look at this, Drew. You want this? You want this, Drew?
Yeah.
Just for you, just for you.
Minigun! Minigun! Oh, minigun is trash.
Minigun is trash, huh? Minigun is trash.
He's low, bro. He's low. He is legit low.
He's low. Dude, he's low.
Oh, minigun is trash. Minigun is
Minigun is not
trash.
trash.
Minigun is trash, huh? Minigun is trash, huh? No, bro. Minigun is so good, bro.
Y'all have to use a money glitch.
I told
I
you,
barely-
minigun is loaded.
I didn't even do that much damage. I just like maybe.
I just sprayed from behind, bro.
Y'all want to use a money glitch? I use the money glitch too.
Literally don't care if y'all use it.
Bro, like you can just snipe MJ one time and he's dead.
Oh wait.
Drew, move your big head out of the way.
I'm getting loot.
No, I'm gonna go kill.
He's not there.
I'm
Oh
gonna
my
go kill
god,
him.
bro. What?
Ah, I missed the headshot.
You missed a headshot. You
I'm
didn't
gonna
give me the
respond.
headshot. Even all this. Yeah, Drew, I'm just gonna let you die. Ooh.
Yeah.
As soon as I said that,
Mr. Money Glitch.
I didn't use no money glitch. Bro, you're so. Ooh. You forgot I was here, huh? You didn't think I was here, huh? You didn't think I was here, huh?
I got dirty. I'm gonna get. Don't engage. Let me respawn first. Tell me when you're done fighting.
Oh, he's cracked. Oh, not anymore.
Oh, not anymore.
Oh,
Oh.
how'd you get that?
A what?
How'd you get the Sky's assault rifle?
Oh, I'm
I
not telling you,
already
it's a
got it.
secret.
They added mythics over here.
Oh, alright, I have it now.
They added mythics.
You're such a copycat, bro. Oh, you're so lucky, you copycat. You copycat, bro. You're such a copycat.
Why, because I use the same gun?
I got Mighty's jump gun.
Oh, my jump gun is actually dog. Bro, why do you want to copy us,
Not
bro?
true.
Come
I
on.
knocked through.
Oh, come on, bro.
You're not
Dude,
fool.
I'm not gonna let him kill me. He won't get health. I hit him for like 3 kills.
How's this man not? How?
Respond.
Please.
MJ, you got this.
You suck, Chris.
What? I'm not even crazy.
You suck, Tassie.
Shut up, bro. Shut up, bro. I mean, it's because you're camping all the way up there and I can't do anything.
He's gonna get full health.
You suck, MJ. You suck.
LAC's dead.
Oh, that wasn't
LAC's dead.
MJ. Oh, that was MJ. You suck, MJ.
You suck too.
Please. Oh, I can't.
Weirdest minigun.
No, why?
Crack.
I'm dead.
He's low, and I ain't kidding. Or not. Never
Okay,
mind.
you're kidding now.
Who's the
Who the fuck is
slasher?
this slasher?
I hit him 2 times with my sniper assault rifle. I hit him 2 times.
Wow, what?
He got shot in the back for 90, so.
You shot him in the back because he didn't know you were there, and then I came from the back and then shot you.
Roll up.
Jeez.
Did you mean me? Oh, I didn't mean.
You're so stupid. Cracked him, he's cracked. What are you doing?
I'm coming.
Oh my gosh, you're so stupid.
Dude, what was that?
Chad, what are you doing here?
But who the fuck is the slasher, bro? This man is on my team and about a lot of y'all. Y'all getting money from a slasher?
Chad.
Oh my god. Oh, I am a beast. I body all of you.
Oh, I body with this gun.
You know that? Oh,
This man is using the aimbot like
someone heal me.
My friend.
Oh, my bad. I accidentally. Oh, I tried putting you down because I accidentally put you up. Oh, I'm dead.
No, right here behind you. Come heal me.
She said whatever. I don't care. Boys, he's in our building. How is he not dead? I shot him right in the head, boys. YouTube, you can back me up right. I swear, I shot this man right in the head.
Well, how?
I am bodying all of you. I was bodying all of you. Oh my god. I was. Do not.
You're lucky you have a pump.
I have this on screen right now. I bodied all of you.
I said,
Y'all could not
I said
stop me.
Tassie. Yeah, come on, check out.
Tossie's cracked.
Oh no, dang it, you're lucky.
Tossie's cracked in the window. Come here.
Look at that man, man. That man's getting bodied.
They're going down.
I'll push up. This is not fair.
Okay, since you guys are so
It's alright.
rude.
I dare you. I double dare you to push.
What? What
How did you just get lasered? How did you guys just get bodied? How did y'all get bodied, bro? I swear, I'm man. How did y'all do no damage? How did y'all do no damage? My teammates did no damage. Drew, you did no damage. I don't know who the other person is, but he did no damage either. Bro, chill. Let me heal.
Yeah.
Oh, I just got lasered out of it. Bro, who took my kill from MJ, bro? Who took my MJ's kill? And my kill from him?
Kill because I killed him. I shot him.
Yeah, I know, but I was gonna kill him, but then you wanted to steal my kill.
Oh my gosh, I'm having a love you.
Lol.
Just accept it. No hard feelings.
Okay, let me get the code pump.
Please. Why is Peaky trying to invite me?
And
I can't invite you because I'm trying to do something.
Body. I body kid. Oh, you body me with that aim, buddy.
Drew, go get him, Drew. Force!
Hey, I lasered him.
Drew, behind you, Drew. I got him, it's okay.
Pushing us.
No, I almost got MJ and I could have survived. Oh, our teammate just...
I killed him while I was knocked!
How did you
revive me? Revive me!
No, don't revive him, bro.
No, don't revive me! Ew, look at me! Don't kill me! You messed it up!
That's what you get.
I wasn't dying, you pushy. I was having so much fun. Oh, how?
Die,
What you want?
Fire! Fire!
Oh, you got
I'm on FoRtNiTe playing with MJ, Drew, and others here right now. Dude, we can't play with all of them. Bro, I'm not trying to hop on Warzone right now. I'm playing FoRtNiTe, I'll probably hop on later. They're not gonna care, but okay. Like,
yo, you bought the cheats, you're weird.
He's not
Did I?
oh, it's Tracy from Warzone.
Did I?
Oh my gosh, I was spamming.
Oh my god. Tracy again.
Dude,
what are you doing?
trying to do one of these mongrels.
Alright. Dude, not loud, my phone is loud, bro. Alright then, okay. Just invite me whenever you do so I can invite you.
I'm superior with the minigun.
Bro, I'm trying to do something for this card. First he wants to keep calling me.
What? Huh?
Really, RJC? For real? You're gonna kill me like that, bro? Dang it, I missed my shot. So bad. I'm so bad! Is no one else gonna help me? No one else gonna help me? No one. Bro, where's everyone? Where's my teammates?
He's cracked.
He's white.
None of my teammates are here. I just dinged him in the head by accident.
How are y'all dying like this?
Dude, it's not my team, this is one help. Light work. Bro, he's literally white. He's white. Thank you. You almost let him kill him. Don't worry about me. I can respawn because I don't need I'm gonna have 30 health.
Yeah, I know.
What the heck?
You got it.
Drew, come on, Drew. Let's go, Drew.
MJ, how did you miss all of that?
Drew, let's go, Drew.
I
I helped you, bro. Don't even act like I didn't.
party.
What do you mean? You're not even fighting.
Okay.
No,
Oh, I
that
got
was
sandwich.
Alright, let me drink my Mountain Dew.
Oh, you're weird.
Alright, I cracked him. He's cracked, he's cracked.
No.
Oh, why am I on that? Why am I on that? Man, wrong gun.
Alright, MJ, I need assistance. And quick.
Yup.
Oh, minigun bros, minigun bros. Spray.
No, it's just two minigun bros.
Spray.
Dude, you're so hyped about it. Down the plane. They're rushing you. They're rushing you. Behind you.
Ah! Yo, they're gonna kill him.
Yeah, like last time. Remember the last time you guys did that too?
We're gonna get kicked out of our base.
That's what you get, Drew. Cause you suck.
Doc, I had 30.
Yo, teammate, kill OJC.
Oh,
I was lagging.
You're supposed to kill OJC.
You can't hear.
They're camping right there.
Oh no, I'm not stupid, Drew.
We're actually.
alright. They're rushing.
Bro, stop using.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Alright. Oh, you have to kill him. Okay.
Dude, he's reviving.
Don't worry about me.
He's reviving.
Actually, yes, worry about me.
He's reviving. He's reviving.
1021. Oh my god.
Body.
You got this. You got this. Kill him.
Nah, bro, we can't use it with a minigun, bro.
Alright, that's alright. You have the same amount of kills.
Alright, I'm out, bro. I'm out. Psych.
No!
Just psych.
I headshotted you while you were down.
Alright, I'm out.
Person shotgun.
No, you. Oh, you're right there. Behind you.
I killed it.
How do we have more kills than you guys? Sit down. How? You got so bad.
Because you guys have miniguns.
Yeah,
You're only using miniguns.
done.
One's dead. He's healing. Get in. Go in.
Body.
Yup, dead. He's dead.
Alright, no one kill me. I'm gonna have to grab some loot.
Back.
I got you, Steve.
Alright, I'm done.
Oh!
Kill.
Man, you're so lucky, bro. He's killing MJ, but we can rush him because MJ's gonna have 30 health. So we can rush him.
You got max health.
Just wait.
No.
MJ's dead.
MJ doesn't.
He's dead. MJ's
When I
dead.
get a certain gun.
I'm so bad. I am so bad, bro. I hate this game. I am so bad.
Oh,
Let's go. Heal me. Quick.
No, this is not a good positioning. Stay up here.
Bro, you can't move.
Heal me.
You're technically more camping.
I'm not camping if I'm rushing you. How's rushing you camping?
that out. Bro, I hit him. He's white.
No.
How do I body all of you?
Maybe it's because you're camping. We can't do anything about that. Oh man. We can rush him again. It's okay.
Yo, here. Wait, what? No, I didn't mean to buy them. No, give me my coins back.
1 sec. I'll drop you coins.
Give me some.
They're rushing right now.
Dead. He's dead.
They're camping.
Bro.
No, I
Let
have
me
this, I
grab.
have this, I have this, I have this.
You can grab
Come
this.
down here. Come down here. Down here.
This is camping already. I knocked someone, boy. I knocked him.
I'm not LJT. This is OP.
Get out of the base. They're gonna camp and use RPGs.
Yo, give me some coins.
They're in the base. I really want to. I can't. They're in the base.
Bye bye.
Get him. Hit him.
Yeah.
Come heal me, heal me. Somebody come heal me. Somebody come heal me.
Drop the coins. I dropped the coins. Pick up the coins.
Hit him, what are you doing?
No, you're in the way, teammate. Mate, are you moving my teammate?
What are you doing? I told you.
Well, I couldn't
Yes, sir.
run. MJ
Thank
was
you,
gonna
thank
come
you,
down
bro.
here.
You're the
and then-
best.
I gave you half of my coins.
Boys, get that guy.
They're white.
Oh, I'm dead, bro. I'm dead. I just shot my own self. Teammate, bro, you can rush him right now.
No, you cannot. No, you cannot.
We hit double damage. He's cracked. He's cracked. Get him.
Dude, y'all have to use so many RPGs. Oh my god, this is
Dead.
understand how you guys can spam miniguns and yet we still have more kills. Y'all are spamming rockets. Y'all can
I don't care.
Y'all are when y'all spam rockets.
I hit MJ for 130. He's like low.
I have an idea that can help us. Really effective.
Dead. He's dead. I'm just dead. I'm just dead. See, white. He's not white no more.
He's not white
Here, bro,
anymore.
take this, take it, take
Yeah, I know
it.
he's
I
brown.
don't want it. I don't want it. I don't like that gun.
Just take it. I don't want it either.
I'm not gonna take it. I don't want it.
No, I killed LJC. I killed LJC. Killed the LJC's down. He's down. He's down. He's down. Get him. Get him.
Oh, I hit him for 100. I hit him for 100.
We
Rush, rush,
need
rush,
to
rush.
get out of the base. Because they have miniguns. They have rocket launchers. And they have miniguns, which is
Guys,
really bad.
don't come in our
Escape through the
base.
windows.
No, we can't come in your base.
Try to
And
blow up top.
They're just gonna spam rockets because they're bad. Y'all are bad. That's why you
Bam.
I feel so bad.
I feel so sorry. I'm just 81. 81. Dead. Heal, heal, heal. Both.
Alright, escape. I have
Come here.
What the heck?
Help me.
That's all I needed.
I got you.
That's all I needed.
Okay, we're out of your base.
Alright, boys, he's LJC's outside. He's outside.
Yo, get me in.
He's outside. He's outside right now.
Oh, he left. Okay, they're low. They're all. He's not low. MJ's low. So MJ.
Kill MJ.
Okay, I have something.
What do you have?
No. Oh, JC. No, wait, MJ.
Pick it up. Oh my gosh, don't pick it up.
Oh, I'm so bad.
Like, they're bad. They're so bad. Dude, MJ, stay in base. I have something. Pick it up. Already. Pick it up.
Dang it, they have slurpfish, boys. They have slurpfish.
Oh my gosh, I just realized they're so bad. Oh, bad.
Hey, he's cracked. MJ's cracked.
I got him. So what?
Yeah, he's basically. Hey, you boys wanna play some?
Alright, double team on someone. He has a purple thing.
No, boys, you can kill him. He's literally low.
I'm dying of 8 forms of cancer.
What? What did you say, Drew?
Hey, what do you got? Okay. I know what I might do.
I saw that one through that window in the corner.
This is so pressuring and hard.
Here, come watch there.
Can't get him. You're so lucky, bro. Whoever's up there, you're so lucky.
You know what? Why don't
I'm
we
on
solve
HP,
it?
you noticed that, right? I'm on HP and you're letting me heal. Oh, shit.
Oh,
You
so
didn't kill me.
He said, oh, so Ju, look.
Hey, they're on me, they're on me.
Thank goodness. You know what I needed? You know what I really needed? I needed this.
Dad?
He's cracked.
Oh.
Bro, I'm coming, bro. I got you.
1v1 me right now. 1v1 me.
Bro, why do you always say 1v1, bro? It's just a game.
And y'all still have anybody little booster.
Boom. I want you in my room. To spend the night together.
What the heck?
What? I don't even
left.
care. That is filthy, bro. I two-shot him. This guy's mythic. That is dirty, bro. That is
Got you. You're dead.
like.
No point of. Got you. You're dead.
I'm leaving.
Okay, goodbye.
Yeah, bro, same. I'm leaving.
I'm probably gonna go play some Warzone with Percy. Hey, Drew, you trying to play?
I'm going back to lobby.
Drew, you trying to play some Warzone?
Wait. Rocket right.
Go over here.
Okay.
To your right. Go to your right. Right. Go to your right. Alright, 3, 2, 1, jump.
Right?
3 to your jump. Dude,
Yay!
you're so stupid. So we still gonna go Warzone, by the way?
Okay, my turn.
Okay.
Alright,
3,
y'all wanna play some
2,
Warzone?
1, go.
Wait, we just
like
need to
crossing.
pull off a successful rocket ride?
Y'all trying to play some Warzone?
3, 2, 1, jump.
We're always off, bro. We're never on. So I jump at like 2.
3,
Let's jump at 2.
3,
Y'all realize
2,
that place is
1.
That didn't work.
Okay, I think I have it now.
Okay, maybe like 1.
Alright.
3,
Y'all
2,
wanna play some Warzone?
1. Got it. Well, I don't know. One of y'all, I don't know.
We literally like spent forever to pull that off, and then we do it twice in a row.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Wait.
Oh, 3, 2, 1,
Okay.
3.
Andre
Oh,
left.
you boys wanna wait? Is the guy that missile and creative?
3. No, it's vaulted. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1.
Guys, go back to lobby.
Let's go! Okay,
go.
Go back to lobby.
We were just messing around with rocket riding.
Alright, let's go play some
y'all
Warzone, you know.
Alright. Alright, I'm gonna get on Warzone then.
Okay, bye bye, you too. Love you.